Alright guys, I know we talked about a few different times. I've seen people wanted videos of getting this 280 with a 10-inch rim in this baby. So I've done it a couple times already, so this is going to be kind of just quick. Obviously I got the bike tore down, but if I didn't, I would probably just get the brake caliper out of the way and I would have removed all the rotor and stuff like that. So basically what I did, just real quick, towels, or in this case old t-shirts, wrapped around. You could tape the rim if you wanted. I would get it up probably right in here, and then I let the air out of the tire. So what I do is kind of turn it, slide it in, then start rotating. Okay, line her up. Ideal situation, you'd have two people right here. Lower it a little bit. That's why you'd want the second person, so you could be back here with the tire while somebody's lowering it, but obviously it's not required. Once you have it in, you have it lined up. There you go. That's it. You got her in. You just got to lower her down and put everything in. Hope this helps.